In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the simplest method to kickstart a profitable dropshipping business, even if you're just starting out as a complete beginner. We'll explore the best strategies for finding a high-demand product, as well as the exact step-by-step guide to setting up an effective online business for that product. I'll also go through the exact ways to get ads and market them, and then the best ways to handle order fulfillment. And in addition to all of that, I'll also share some of my insider secrets that have helped me generate a six-figure income from e-commerce dropshipping. So let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. The first step with your dropshipping business is finding your unique winning product, one that makes customers feel an irresistible urge to purchase. There's two methods of doing this. One is by creating a new account on TikTok and optimizing it to show you dropshipping videos. What you would do is create your account and search for hashtags like TikTok made me buy it or Amazon find. You will have to do this for a couple of days until your For You page starts showing you dropship products. And when you have a massive selection of products to choose from, you can then find your winning product. But before you do that, you may be wondering, how do you know if a product is a winning product? To know that, all you need to do is follow this winning product criteria. Number one, the product is a problem solver. This will at least give the product some purpose and a reason for the customers to buy it. Number two, it has a high profit margin. This means that it's something that you can sell for at least 3 to 4 times your cost from your supplier. And number three, it has to be a light product that is easy to ship. Since heavy products cost a lot more with shipping, it will make it a lot harder to be profitable. Following this criteria will show you that the product can actually be profitable. The second way to finding a winning product is going to be using a product research software. There's many product research softwares out there that just give you the winning products, but I personally use AutoDS. To do this, just go on AutoDS.com, which I'll leave a link for down below, that will give you a 30-day free trial, which you can cancel at any time, and then you will sign up for a new account. I already have my account here, so after doing that, press on winning products here in the left menu, and this will show you a massive list of winning products that were generated by AutoDS based on analytics like how the products are performing in terms of sales and how the ads for those products are performing. So basically, it will show you the ones that are getting the most conversions. Before we find the product for today's video, I wanted to also show you guys this TikTok spy button on the left menu here. And what this does, as you can see, it just shows you winning TikTok ads, which you can click on by pressing on See TikTok Ad. And then this will give you all the information on the ad and the product, and you can basically just download this ad and find the product on AutoDS and sell it yourself. Now, if we go back to the winning products section and click on this posture corrector device product here, you can see that AutoDS gives you all the information you would need to know, starting with how much it costs, where it ships from, all the available variations, and it even gives you an estimate of how much potential profit you could be making off of it. But anyways, I found my product that I will be using for today's video, and this is it right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on import, and then this will import the product directly to my Shopify store, which I'll get into how to set all that up later in this video. So now you have your platform for finding a winning product, but make sure you combine this with the winning product criteria I talked about earlier to get the best results. After you've found your product, the next step is building your website, and to do that, you need to create an online store with Shopify, which is the platform used by most dropshippers to sell their products. They also have an offer where you only pay $1 per month for your first 3 months. I'll leave a link in the description for that offer, so make sure you check that out. So after clicking the link in the description, you will be redirected to this page, and you will just need to enter your email here and click on Start Free Trial. So now we're setting up the Shopify account, and I just skip all the questions here because they really don't matter. After that, just create your account with any of these options, and then you'll be at the Shopify homepage for your store. So you should get to this page after creating your account, and the first thing you need to do is obviously add your product to your store. So just click on Add Apps here, go to the Shopify App Store with this button, and then search for AutoDS if that's what you also use to find your product. Click on it and then just click on Install, and finally you will just need to import the product you found using the import button on AutoDS the same way I did earlier in the video. Now let's go back to the Shopify homepage, and before we design the website with the product, let's go into settings so you can set up your domain and payment options so your customers can actually check out. So click on settings and then click on payments first. I would recommend you click on Activate Shopify Payments because that will allow your customers to check out using Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, etc. Then after you do that, I would also recommend setting up PayPal because a lot of your customers will want to check out using that, and if you don't do that, you could miss out on a lot of sales. After your payments are set up, go to domains, and you can either buy a domain from another website like GoDaddy, or you can use Shopify. I would recommend using Shopify because it's just easier, so click on Buy New Domain and then enter the domain you want. So I'm now going to fully set up my store with the product that I found from AutoDS, and then I'll go through the entire website including all of the apps that I added. I just finished building the store, so let's go ahead and take a look at what I built. So this right here is the homepage for my store, and you'll notice I added 3 more products just to give the store a higher quality look. And this laser hair remover is the main product that I'm selling, which I found on AutoDS. But anyways, I added this announcement bar up here that says free shipping on orders $40 plus, and I added this because I believe it will help with increasing my conversion rate, since customers will feel the need to buy 2 products instead of 1 to get that free shipping. But yeah, this is the front page here, and let's go on the shop now button to get to the main product page. So as you can see, the product page looks really nice, and I even imported some reviews for the product using a separate app, which I'll go into later. I put a 50% sale over here as well because I believe it will also help increase conversions. So let's scroll down and you can see my entire product description and product photos, and finally the reviews I imported are right here to add some authority to the brand and the product. So yeah guys, that was the store I built in about 2 hours, and we're back here on the Shopify App Store because I want to show you the app for importing reviews. So search up Judge Me Reviews, and it's going to be this first one right here. I would recommend using this because it will make your product actually look like it's popular and getting sold a lot. So that was the process of building my store using Shopify in just a few hours. Now the final step is actually going to be getting ads and marketing the product. I'm going to go through how I get my ads and the exact TikTok ad strategy that I use. This is the part where most dropshippers get stuck and give up. I believe the most important step before marketing is your ad creative. This means the video ads that you actually promote have to be perfect. So this right here is the website I've been using, and one that a lot of successful dropshippers use, and it's called Viral Ecom Ad. This website is perfect to go to because they will create your ads for you in the best possible way. So when you have your product, all you need to do is come over to the Viral Ecom Ads website and buy one of their video ad packages. The way it works is you just give them the link to your product and they do the rest of the work, and then send you your video ads within a few days. There's many different options on their website which you can use with examples so you know what you'll be getting. There's video ads, which are just normal product ads. There's UGC ads, which are ads they will create using an actual influencer that tries your product and makes video ads with it. And finally, there's animation ads, but I guess that one's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm gonna go for a normal video ad package, and when you get here, you're going to find a few options for it, like the split testing video ad package, the normal video ads, and the TikTok split testing package, which I will be going for since I want to use TikTok ads for marketing. So right here on the TikTok split testing package page, I'll go ahead and select the options I want for my videos, which will be 1 TikTok split testing package. And as for TikTok text, I would definitely recommend adding this because it helps with getting more clicks, so I'll do that. And the same goes for the TikTok voiceover as well. So I went ahead and bought the TikTok split testing ads package. And here's a quick preview of 1 out of the 3 ads that I got from Viral Ecom Ads.
No more painful waxing or constant shaving. I can now enjoy the freedom of hair-free skin. Get yours today.
So now that I have my product, my website fully built, and my video ads ready, it's time to get to the most important part about dropshipping, which is marketing. I'm about to go through the best strategy for running successful TikTok ads, and then we will look at the results that I got on my Shopify store from these exact ads. Alright guys, so I'm here on my TikTok ads manager, and I'm going to show you guys what the bid ladder strategy is, and it's a strategy that works very well for a lot of dropshippers and has worked for me as well with the store that I just made, which I'll be showing you the results for later on. But anyways, you can just follow what I'm doing as like a step-by-step kind of thing. So let's begin by clicking on Create Campaign here, then click on Custom Mode here, which will give you more options for targeting and such. Then go for Website Conversions and click Continue. And we'll leave Smart Performance Campaign off for now because that's meant more for like scaling if you're already getting conversions. And what we're doing now is perfect for beginners, so leave that off. As for a campaign name, I would just name it Campaign 2/test or something like that in my case. So then we're gonna leave all of this the same and we're gonna hit continue. As far as the ad group name, I'll just call mine Campaign 2/ad group 1 because this honestly doesn't really matter too much. As far as your TikTok pixel goes, it's just plug and play, so just connect it and turn it on and go ahead and add complete payment for your organization event. For placements, I'm gonna go to select placement and turn off Pangle, whatever this is, because we just want to be advertising on TikTok. And I'm gonna go to advanced settings and turn off video download so people can't copy your ads, but leave comments on and leave sharing on. And as far as our targeting goes, it's going to be as follows. We do ship to the United States and Canada, so we'll just target those 2. Languages, all, gender, female, because this product is mainly a female only product. For age, I would keep it between 18 and 55 plus, because anyone under 18 would have to go and ask their parents for their credit cards, and so it would just be a mess with your campaign optimization. So just all the way from 18 to 24 to 55 plus. For spending power, I would keep this to all, and then I would skip both of these and just go straight to interests and behaviors. And here, click on it and go to hashtag interactions, and you would want to add about 30 hashtags relating to your type of product or online store. So I would type in things like hashtag skincare, hashtag self-care products, hashtag smooth legs, and you can just keep going on and on forever with this, but we'll leave it at that. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn on targeting expansion for interests and behaviors. Now, as for the daily budget, this might scare you guys, but set it to $100 and don't be worried, because most of the time with this strategy, it won't even come close to spending all of it. And the reason for that is because we're going to be limiting this with bids or bid caps. So go ahead and leave it at $100 and then leave the running time for all day. As for the optimization goal, switch this from value to conversions, which is going to allow us to switch on cost cap. So this is where the strategy comes into play, and we're going to go ahead and start with a random number, or it's not really a random number. There's a way to calculate this which I will teach you, but I do know some numbers at the top of my head that have worked very well for me before, which we can start with. And the way to calculate this the best is to take your sales price and just divide that by half. So if your product is $30 like mine is, you can put in $15 over here, and I'm going to go ahead and set $15.55 because I found better results that way for some reason. After that, go down to advanced settings and change the delivery type from standard to accelerated for the best results. Then we'll just click on next to go to our ad creative. And as for the ad name, you can put whatever you want. I'll go ahead and put in test ad 1. Down here at identity, I would personally recommend creating a TikTok account for your brand and posting the videos on there to be able to toggle Spark ads with this button here, which is what I'll do because Spark ads perform much better than normal ads, since your videos will have more and more likes and comments and interactions each time they're viewed. So next, I'll just click on TikTok post and add one of the posts I uploaded on TikTok. And after that, everything should be automatically put in from your TikTok post, like the text and all that. So go down to URL and put in your link for the landing page for your product where your customers can click on purchase. After that, click on submit and you should be good to go for the first ad. So this is the first step that we just finished to creating what is called a bid ladder. And what we're gonna go ahead and do now is go back to the ad group section, and you're going to want to click on copy on the ad group we just created, and we're going to want to copy this in the exact same campaign 9 more times. This way we want to have a total of 10 ad groups that we're going to be testing bids with. So what you want to do is not change anything at all within any of the ad groups. The only thing you will change is the bids, which we won't do through here. So just speed run through this whole process by clicking on next and submit for all of these ad groups. And now that you have all your 10 ad groups here in the ad group section, all we will be doing is changing the bid for each one here. And we're going to start with the very first one we made with the bid of $15.55, and we'll just leave that one at that. But then the second one below it, we'll change it to $14.55. So what you will do is reduce the bid by $1 as you go down on the ad group. So the very last one should be about $5.55 since we made 10. And then you will just let the ads run for a day or 2 days and watch the results come in. And you will have some ads that will convert much better than others, and then you will just want to kill or get rid of the ones that don't work and keep the ones that work. And yeah, it's that simple. So that was the way I set up my TikTok ads for the best results. And now let's take a quick look at my Shopify store's results that I got from these exact ads. So right here on the Shopify dashboard, this is literal proof that this exact strategy works. I got almost $1,200 in revenue in just about 6 days, and it's still climbing up every day and getting better. So the reason you'll let the TikTok ads optimize and run for about 2 days is because, as you can see, the first day we made about $31, but then as the days go on, we started making more and more every day. So make sure you rewatch this video and apply the exact strategy that I showed. So guys, that was the entire guide to starting and running a dropshipping business. If you like this video and got some value out of it, make sure you watch the next one that pops up somewhere on the screen.